Good morning, class 4. This is your computer class. Today we are going to revise the first chapter of your computer, which is knowing your computer. Okay. First of all, what is computer? Computer is an electronic device which makes our work easier. Okay. So the principle on which computer works is IPO, input, processing, and output. Okay. So what is input device? Okay. The question is what is input device? Input devices are those devices through which we give data to the computer. Okay. Those devices through which data is inserted into the system is known as input device. Just for example, monitor. Monitor is also known as visual display unit. Okay. It is of two types, LCD and LED. LCD, liquid crystal display, and LED, light emitting diode. Basically, LED is better than LCD as it consumes 40% less power supply in compared to LCD. Okay. Now, coming up to the next part of computer, which is of course input device, is very important and known as keyboard. Okay, keyboard is basically an input device through which we insert data inside the computer. Okay, it consists of 104 keys, and each keys has its significance value. Okay, for special characters, for numericals, for alphabets, for everything, there is a key on the keyboard. Okay, next input device is light pen. Light pen is also a pointing device just like mouse. It is used to draw objects directly on the computer screen. It is used to draw pictures on the screen. Okay, just like we draw using the help of chalk on the blackboard. Similarly, light pen is used to draw something on the display of the screen. Okay, so the next one is barcode reader. Basically, this is kind of a light sensor device which reads the code which is inserted on the object. You can see this on your nearest shopping mall where things are just scanned and that all the details were inserted in the system, all the prices and everything. Okay, MRP, everything. Next input device is microphone. Okay, by the help of microphone only, we are able to hear the voice of someone. Okay, if the system does not have microphone, it cannot hear something. Okay, just like we have ears to hear something, that system have microphone to have the capture capacity of audio clips. Okay, so to insert audio, we need microphone. Okay, next one is a scanner. A scanner is just a replicate form of just a microphone. By the help of microphone, we are able to insert audio, and by the help of a scanner, we are able to scan a picture and then take the it into the digital format. Okay, so by the help of a scanner, we can scan something or put it in the system. Okay, so that we can use it digitally. Next one is webcam. By the help of this camera only, I'm able to record the video and send it to you for your online classes. Similarly, webcam is also important so that it can capture the picture and then convert it into digital form and then we can share that picture. Okay. Similarly, joystick for it's kind of a mouse, but it is basically used to play games. Okay, just in a computer, it has a handle and a firing button on the top, so that we can just use it. Okay, for playing games. OCR, optical character recognition, it is used to read printed text from the image and convert it into machine readable text format. Okay, just the text format which is a picture format, format, and then it recognize it and convert it into machine readable language so that machines can easily read it. OMR, which is optical mark recognition or optical mark reader, it is used for reading the data by identifying the certain marking on the document like surveys and tests. Recently, you have given the test of your Olympiad where you have circled your answer. Okay, so by the help of this OMR only, that circle, that identification mark is scanned, and hence that data is transmitted so that it can be checked easily. Okay, so you can understand from the help of that what is OMR, then MICR, magnetic ink character recognition. Okay, it is used to read special characters printed in magnetic ink, like number and character forms at the bottom of the check. You have seen check, and at the bottom that magnetic ink strips. Okay, it is mainly used in banks because magnetic ink character are difficult to form. Okay, it is difficult to copy or something like that. Okay, understood? It is very hard to copy and replicate it in the similar manner. So it is used in bank. Understood? Now these were the kinds of input devices. Now coming up to the output device. Output device, I have told you earlier, monitor, which is also known as video. Visual display unit is it of two types, LCD and LED. LCD like monitor, okay, LCD, which is of obviously a monitor, full form liquid crystal display, and LED, light emitting diode. LED is better than LCD as it takes 40% less power supply, okay, less power consumption. Now next one is printer. Printer is used to give us the hard copy of whatever we need, okay. So these are the kinds of output device. Why these are known as output device? Because it gives us the result, the final obtained or desirable result. Whatever we want, this gives us that data. That's why it is known as output device. Okay, just like for speakers, what are speakers? They basically gives us the output of audio. Okay, headphones are also a kind of output device. Headphones and speaker, there's minute difference. Both gives audio in format, but in headphones, audio is restricted to certain amount of person. Means if I'm using earbud or earphone, I will be only able to hear the music or the sound or everything. People around me will not be disturbed using me earphone. But while using speaker, people around me will also able to hear the audio clip or that video. So they might get disturbed. Okay. So next one is processing device, simple CPU. It consists of three units: CU, control unit; ALU, arithmetic and logical unit; MU, memory unit. Okay, what is CU? CU control unit is basically a kind of a traffic policeman. It controls all the operation done in the computer. Okay, you work, you stop, you work, simple like that control unit. It controls all the work of computer. Next one is ALU, all the arithmetical and logical unit works were performed by the help of ALU, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. In logical operation, like equals to, greater than, smaller than, not equal to. This is a kind of work which are performed by ALU. MU, the memory unit, the unit to store information in the form of instructions and data. Okay, what is MU? MU is a unit stores data in the form of instruction and data. Just for example, whatever we are typing or whatever we this video or any type of data, this can be stored in the form of instruction and data by the help of this MU. Okay, so this was the IPO, input processing output. This was the principle on which computer works. Okay. Now the fourth and important device which is also used in computer, so that whatever this IPO works, Okay, whatever this IPO works, this should be stored somewhere so that we get our desirable result. And in case if the system is shut down, we should not start from the beginning. To overcome this problem, we use storage devices to just store our data so that if we want to use it further, we take the path, the place from where we left it, and we start it from there once again. Okay, storage devices. First of all, storage is called as memory. Okay, storage devices are also called as memory. Okay, bits and bytes. There are similar. There are similar difference that the data is stored in computer memory at the form of bits. Okay, data stored in computers is stored in the form of bits and measured in bytes. Okay, so that 8 bits form 1 byte, bits and bytes. 8 bits, 8 small digits data form a 1 byte, and 1 byte equals to 8 small bits. Okay, is it clear? Bits and bytes. Binary language only the data is stored. I mean, binary numbers 0 and 1. Okay, these are only the numbers through which it stores data. Just computer uses only 2 digits, 0 and 1, because it is not human. That humans, if we ask something, humans may say that yes or no, or one more option they have, humans, that maybe. We have often heard about that. What is your? Can you tell me your age? So he will answer yes or no. But if you want to ask someone else some other questions, the result may be yes, no, yeah, maybe. Maybe means शायद. Okay. जैसे अगर आपसे कोई क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए इस टाइप का, तो अगर कंप्यूटर रहेगा वो तो याद कहेगा यस या तो नो. अगर 0 मीन्स नो, 1 मीन्स यस, सिंपल कंप्यूटर. ठीक. बट वहीं पे इंसान में हाँ ना तो है, साथ में शायद भी है कि हाँ शायद वो ये कर सकता है. ठीक. This is the difference between human and system. Okay, that's why system don't lie. Okay, now types of memory. There are two types of memory. First one is external memory. Second one is internal memory. देखिए, internal memory are of two types. ठीक, internal memory भी जो होती है वो दो types के होते हैं. First one is RAM. Second one is ROM. रैम क्या करता है? जो भी ऐप हम परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, ठीक, जो भी ऐप हमें व्हाट्सएप हो गया, फेसबुक हो गया, इंस्टाग्राम हो गया, जो भी हम अगर परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, ठीक, उसको रन करने के लिए एक स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट ऑफ डेटा चाहिए. ठीक, एक स्टोरेज डिवाइस चाहिए ताकि वहां से उसको वो ले आ सके, ताकि वो ऑन करना है. जैसे हम कहेंगे मुझे फेसबुक खेलना है, तो फिर फेसबुक क्या करेगा? फेसबुक ओपन करना है, तो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम क्या करेगा? ठीक है, एक अलमारी है उसमें पूरा पड़ा हुआ, मैं उसका टिक दे दिया, ये लो चलाओ व्हाट्सएप. ठीक, मुझे यूट्यूब चलाना है, यहाँ से उठा के यूट्यूब दे दिया, लो चलाओ. ठीक, लेकिन मुझे ये जो व्हाट्सएप फेसबुक ये एडिट नहीं होने वाले. ठीक, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, ये एडिट नहीं होंगे, ये चेंज नहीं होंगे. अगर फेसबुक है तो फेसबुक ही रहेगा, व्हाट्सएप है तो व्हाट्सएप ही रहेगा, ये कुछ अलग नहीं होंगे. लेकिन उस मेमोरी को जिसको हम चेंज कर सकते हैं, जिसको एडिट कर सकते हैं, वो हमारा सेकेंडरी मेमोरी होगा. ठीक, इसको हम चेंज कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि मान लीजिए हम कोई पिक्चर या कुछ डेटा है, कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट है, उसको हम टाइप कर सकते हैं, उसको एडिट कर सकते हैं, रिप्लेस करते हैं. ठीक, तो वो हमारे उसमें स्टोर होंगे. ठीक, यहाँ तक आप समझ गए. अब एक्सटर्नल मेमोरी की बात करते हैं. तो एक्सटर्नल मेमोरी भी दो टाइप की होती है. पहला बैकअप एक्सटर्नल मेमोरी को ही हम लोग सॉरी एक्सटर्नल मेमोरी को ही हम लोग सेकेंडरी मेमोरी कहते हैं, जो कि बैकअप मेमोरी और एक्सिलरी मेमोरी होती है. ठीक, मींस एक अलग से जो पेन ड्राइव हम इंसर्ट कर दिए, मेमोरी कार्ड इंसर्ट कर दिए, ये क्या है? ये हमारे लिए एक एक्सटर्नल मेमोरी की तरह बिहेव करेगा. ठीक, इसका मेन फंक्शन क्या रहेगा कि जो भी डेटा है वो तो एक्सटर्नल में है. ठीक, अगर कुछ करप्ट होगा तो उसको हम निकाल लेंगे तो मेरा बच जाएगा. ठीक, एक्सटर्नल स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस भी होते हैं, जैसे आपका हार्ड डिस्क हो गया, एक हार्ड डिस्क तो सिस्टम के अंदर पहले से इंस्टॉल्ड है, लेकिन हम चाहें तो उसको क्लिप इन करके अलग से लगा सकते हैं। फिर सीडी कैसेट्स हो गए, सीडी कैसेट जो कि 700 MB तक के स्टोरेज रखते थे, उसमें हम साउंड, वीडियो, ऑडियो, इस तरह की चीजों को, ग्राफिक्स, टेक्स्ट को हम स्टोर कर सकते हैं, लेकिन अप टू 700 MB ओनली। ठीक, फिर उसके बाद आया डीवीडी आया, जो कि 4.1 GB से लेकर के 17 GB तक का स्टोरेज रखता है, जो सर्कुलर डिस्क होता था, बीच में एक वो छेद रहता था। ठीक, समझे? ये हमारा 4.1 GB टू 17 GB तक का स्टोरेज रखता था। इससे बड़े ना वो आया हमारा ब्लू-रे डिस्क। ठीक, ये हाई क्वालिटी गेम्स और डेटा को स्टोर करके रखता था। इसका स्टोरेज अराउंड 128 GB है। ठीक, ये फार बेटर देन डीवीडी। उससे बेटर हमारा पेन ड्राइव आया, पोर्टेबल, छोटू सा लेकर के कहीं भी लेके चल जाओ, कोई वो टूटने वगैरह का भी वो नहीं है, अनलेस अनटिल अगर आप उसको पूछ लोगे तो नो इश्यूज फॉर दैट। बट पेन ड्राइव, जिसको हम फ्लैश ड्राइव, थंब ड्राइव, जंप ड्राइव भी कहते हैं, ये मोस्ट पॉपुलर बैकअप डिवाइस है। इससे हम क्या करते हैं, कोई भी डेटा को इजीली कॉपी या पेस्ट कर सकते हैं। ठीक, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह हम इजीली इसको कैरी भी कर सकते हैं। ये मतलब पहले तो कम में आते थे, अभी तो इनके स्टोरेज बढ़ते चले जा रहे हैं। आप अप टू मतलब अच्छे खासे स्टोरेज तक इनके वो पेन ड्राइव्स आप ले सकते हैं। ठीक, बट इन योर बुक इट इज गिवन अप टू 64 GB, बट इट इज बेटर देन दैट। Okay, far better than that. So let's have a quick revision about this chapter. Computer is an electronic machine that is able to take task and process it and make a new information. Okay. A computer system contains four types of data, four types of devices. Okay, first one is input, second processing, third one output, and fourth one is storage devices. Okay, by the help of these four only computer basically works. Okay, next, the devices through which you can enter data and instruction on the computer are known as input device. The devices through which we see the output of a computer are known as output device. Okay, CPU is the main processing device of a computer. Okay, it's also the brain of computer. It has three main units: ALU, CU, and MU. Okay, the device which is used to store information in computer are called storage devices. Okay, CPU is known as brain of computer, while control unit is known as heart of computer. देखिए, दिल और धड़कन, सीपीयू क्या है? हमारा दिल है, हमारा दिमाग है, सॉरी। सीपीयू हमारा क्या है? दिमाग है, ब्रेन ऑफ कंप्यूटर। सीयू क्या है? हमारा कंट्रोल यूनिट, ये सब चीज को कंट्रोल कर रहा है। ओके, तो इट इज लाइक अ हार्ट ऑफ आवर कंप्यूटर। ओके, so your homework is to learn the word meanings of chapter 1, write the quick backups of this chapter, and you draw this chart and send the picture of to me. Okay, draw the chart and learn it also. Okay, these are the key features of computer and uses of computer from where it is used. Okay class, goodbye, take care, see you soon.